Sanibonani guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys for joining. Thank you so much for coming. Mangaba subscribe, you guys please do so. Subscribe, like the video as well. Busuya like, busuya share, busuya faka your notification bell on. Ukwenza ukuthi njalo nje mangabe siya upload and then you'll be notified ukuthi ke sesilahlele video. Okay, ngizothanda ke kulesi story ukuthi sikhulumeni ngoChatha wakaNgobese you guys osebenza lapha noKhosini. Ngibone lesi story ngaba interested kakhulu guys because bengimangala ukuthi ha uChatha uyaqala ukuvota you guys kulonyaka nje njengoba kuvotwa nje. Yona into bengimangasa ngiseba interested estoryini engisibonayo ke lapha nabethi uthi uqala nqa ukuvota ke uChatha wakaNgobese. So before that you guys, let me ask something and just address something. Kunabantu guys who are from KZN abangakwazi ukuthi isindebele saseZimbabwe siyahambisana nesizulu. Ngiyabuza nje you guys ngoba phela ngiyamangala, there are so many people who come here ku channel yami you guys okuyukuthi ebangamaZulu. If you are not, please do not catch feelings, okay? Kunabantu abezalana bezongizama ukungiqondisa ilanguage engiyikhulumayo. But hey, isiZulu sakho is not make sure. Wow, your language nje is not make sure. Labo bantu laba ngabantu okuthi bangamaZulu, right? So bengicela ukubuza mina ukuthi ukhona umuntu ongomZulu from KZN ongazi ukuthi isiZulu nesindebele sabantu baseZimbabwe siyahambisana. Is the similar, those two language are similar you guys. Uma ungumndebele wasezim, it's very easy ukuthi ukhulume isiZulu. Noma mina on my language angikhuluma isiZulu you guys, ngikhuluma isindebele, right? And singing I address kangaki lento you guys on my channel here with guys lana angikhuluma isiZulu ngikhuluma isindebele. Yebo of course kungenzeka ngilahlela isiZulu lapha nalapha ngoba vele ngiphile eSouth Africa, kodwa ke kuyenzeka ukuthi uzozwa isiZulu ngoba iningi lezistory ngisuke ngizifunda mina ngithanda ukuzifunda from Isolezwe okuyukuthi le publication ibhala ngesizulu, right? So mangiyofunda lapha na kaIsolezwe kumele ngenze njani bese ngiya transfer lesizulu to isindebele. Ngapha ngifunda bese ngiya translate at the same time make sure ukuthi kuyisindebele khona kubhalwe ngesizulu. Like I don't understand some of you. Are you sure ukuthi ungathi ubuye KZN ungazi ukuthi isizulu sakho lezo sihambisana nesindebele saseZim? Awazi wena amandebele aseZim ukuthi vele ngokwendabuko ngabantu abasukaphi? Are you surprised ukuthi isizulu nesindebele kuyahambisana? But umZulu uzomuza ukuthi lo umZulu, then umndebele uzomuza okay lo umndebele, but it's just similar. So mangikhuluma kanje people come to say hayi isizulu sakho sisi why uthe ungathanga? Guys, are you okay? Are you okay? Like really ngikhuluma isindebele nje manje mina angakhuluma isiZulu. Angasikhuluma isiZulu mina sakhuluma isindebele njengamanje. So angithi uyezwa ukuthi le language iyahambisana nesizulu. It's similar, it's only nje uzozwa nje umZulu ekhuluma ukuthi lo umZulu umndebele uzomuzi lo umndebele. Yini inkinga yenu guys when you come on my channel and start trying to teach me isiZulu? Ngike ngathi ngicela ukufundiswa isiZulu guys. Did I say ngicela ngifundiseni isiZulu? Oh ngikhuluma my language. And how dare you say my language is not make sure? So your language is making sure. My language is not make sure. Are you okay? Ufuna wonke umuntu olana on the platform on the internet abe ngomZulu njengawe. Are you okay? Abanye benu you really need to like really come on. Not everything is about Zulu language. Not everything is about Zulu language. So kumele manje sikhuluma isiZulu singasakhuluma ama languages we. This channel ngasho you guys ngathi la guys ngikhuluma isindebele. Ngumndebele waseZim ngazichaza kahle ukuthi ukuze ube ngazi ungiunderstand, right? Le ntombazane yaseZimbabwe ngingumndebele mina ngiligodonga ngingumndebele ngumanzuza mina ngingumndebele angiye nomZulu bakithi sengikhathele ukulokhu ngizama ukuzichaza. Umuntu uzoza ha ukhuluma kanjani sizwe nawe le language yakho is not make sure. How dare you? My language is not make sure. Eyakho is making sure. Like really come on. Come on. Not everything is about isiZulu because amakhona amandebele ke na akhuluma njengamaZulu kodwa ke kusuke kungesona isiZulu. Kodwa sometimes ukungenzeka ngoba uphile eMzansi bese uyalahlela isiZulu. Kodwa ke mina mangizofunda njengamanje ngizofunda istory sakaChatha. Ngizofunda ngesizulu ngoba kubhalwe isiZulu. Are you okay? And nokukhuluma iSpedi you guys, nokukhuluma iSpedi ngikhuluma iSetswana ngikhuluma iSotho, even though angeke ngikhulume exactly njengompedi or exactly njengomSotho. Angaze ngibezwe beza la bezothi hayi wena manje usinya language ya rona mara why uba language ya rona so angaze ngibezwe bajabulela ukuthi wow philile you are really trying. you are Zimbabwean but you speak this language, but mangikhuluma isiNdebele sami kuze umZulu why ukhuluma kanje? You guys, come on yo. But anyways, yazini ayingikhathele ukuzichaza. But ke you guys, kule story ngizothanda ukuthi sikhulumeni ngoChatha. uChatha uthena ujabulele ukuvota kokuqala nqa you guys. For mina nje I didn't know ukuthi uChatha uyaqala ukuvota. Kuthiwa kumsakazo Ukhozi FM lapha uKhathide Chatha ngoba una 42 you guys. Uvoto kokuqala ngokukhetho lukazwelonke you guys ngolesithathu. That's why bengimangele you guys cause yamazi sonke uChatha he's one of the Ukhozi FM ungomunye abasebenzi lapha abalapha noUkhosini sorry kodwa ngangishilo vele ngathi nesingisi ngizosifaka. Sometimes ngiyangikhohle ukuthi I'm here mele ngikhuluma isiNdebele ngazi ngakho. uChatha wethu uhlelo iwoza nabangani bakho you guys benoSelby Mkhize njalo ngo3 kuya ku6 ntamba phakathi nesonto. Okay, ubhale ezinkundleni zokuxhumana ukuthi uvoto kokuqala umbhalo ubuhambisana ke nesithupha esipendwe ngendlela enhlangano engamela ukhetho iIEC eveza ngayo ukuthi umuntu usevotile. Uthe laphana angithi phela yonke leminyaka edlule kusukela ngazalwa bengingomunye ofakazi bakaJehova. Uthi ke ngokweminye yemibandela yebandla akuvumelekile ukuvota ngoba bathi abasiyona ingxenye yezwe, bathi akulungile ukuthatha uhlangothi ezintweni ezithinta ezombusazwe. Kubhala yena uChatha lapha I'm gonna throw this on my screen. Sorry guys, la uChatha abhale khona uthe kumsizile ukuphuma kuleli bandla ngoba wathola ukuthi miningi imithetho ebekwe phezulu kwamalungu ebandla kodwa ke engesiyona eyeBhayibheli. Isungulwe nje ngabaholi babo laba ababizwa ngegoverning board abazinze lapha eUSA bese ngobukhulu ubuqili beyamanisa nemibhalo abayitwistile ukuze kube sengathi kusho iBhayibheli. Angijabuni kayiso lezi babhalile bathi abayitwistile uzozo omunye ethi hayi bekumele uthi ungathi. So lona ke okungavunyela ukubamba iqhaza okhethweni ngeminye yemithetho ewumgogodla ke waleli bandla elithi yilo lodwa eliyinkolo yeqiniso emhlabeni. You guys kukhulunywa lapha nabofakazi bakaJehova. Uthi ngimbonga angipheze uNkulunkulu ngokungivula amehlo ngibone ubuqili bamanga alenkolo engochwepheshe ekuphuphuthekiseni ingqondo yomuntu. Kubhala lapha noShatha ngoba you guys I'm gonna throw that on my skin. So on my screen. Did I say on my skin? So kusuka ashiya kuleli bandla uhlale ebhala izinto esezenza athi zazingavumelekile ngaphambilini wako wabhala ukuthi ugubha usuku lwakhe lokuzalwa nokuyinto eyayingavumelekile. Can you guys imagine? Bengingazi ke mina you guys ukuthi umungomunye ofazi bakaJehova kuthiwa awuvumelekile ukuvota even to celebrate your birthday. I was like, guys, okay, ithi ngifundele ke lapha bhale khona yena straight because lapha bengifunda kayiselwe. So this is MC Chatha isibajazwa sakwaNongoma, right? Uthi I voted for the first time in my life. Angithi phela yonke leminyaka edlule kusukela ngazalwa bengomunye ofakazi bakaJehova ngokweminye yemibandela yebandla akuvumelekile ukuvota ngoba bathi abasiyona ingxenye yezwe, bathi akulungile ukuthatha uhlangothi ezintweni ezithinta ezombusazwe. Kungisizile enokho ukuphuma kuleli bandla ngoba ngafanda utha. Angithi yabo uChatha uthe ngafanda out nize nina futhi nize. uChatha ubhale wathi ngafanda utha ukuthi miningi imithetho ebekwe phezulu kwabo kodwa engesiyona eBhayibheli isungulwe nje ngabaholi babo laba ababizwa ngegoverning board abazinze lapha eMelika bese ngobukhulu ubuqili bayeyamanisa nemibhalo abayitwistile ukuze kube sengathi kusho iBhayibheli. Lona ke okungavunyelwa ukubamba iqhaza okhethweni ngeminye yemithetho ewumgogodla waleli bandla elithi yilo lodwa eliyinkolo yeqiniso emhlabeni. Ngizolahlela ku screen sami you guys lapha le khona uChatha. Uthi ngimubonga angipheze uNkulunkulu ngokungivula amehlo ngibone ubuqili bamanga alenkolo engochwepheshe ekuphuphuthekiseni ingqondo yomuntu wasefaka isithupha sakhe lapha you guys okubonisa ukuthi ubuya ukovota. So laphana futhi wabuye wabhala when it comes to the comment section, and the comment yokuqala futhi laphana uthi bese nithi angibayeke abantu abangibambezele kanje empilweni. Clippy, did you know ukuthi ukube angibanga nenkani ngabe angikaze ngibe umsakazi phela bathi OF baka Jade udumo usho ufakazi baka Jehova udumo lwezwe lubi kumuntu olikholwa. So inqaba yabantu yena uthe iqwaba yabantu, right, abavaleleke laphaya abana makhono amangalisayo but abangavunyelwe ukwaphila ngoba akufanele badume. Ukuduma kubi according to ufakazi baka J. Abanye abanamakhono ebhola, ukumodela, ukucula nokudansa, konke lokho akuvumelekile ukuba uyilungu laleli bandla kanye nokuba yisosha nokuba yipoyisa ngoba what do you do when you go to that church? Okay, akuvumelekile uma uyilungu laleli bandla kanye nokuba yisosha nokuba yipoyisa ngoba ngokwabo kubi ukuphatha isikhali. Mina ke ngala ngaphetha ngathi ngamane ngingazitholi kwazikhundla zakhona lezo kunokuyeka into engiyithanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke ukusakaza. So incindezelo ekuleli yabandla yesabeka kubhala uChada still you guys uthi ingakho ke kungumsebenzi wami ukude nginexwayisa ngobungozi baleli bandla ukuze ungene wazi ukuthi uziphosaphi. Okay, this was uChada, you guys. Can you imagine? You can't be a soldier or a police because our party's card. You can, like, really, you ngeke. So let me see someone saying A is 2%. Nkosi yami kodwa angikho lapho bengithi mina mfethu ngiyethemba uvote kahle qhawe ngoba isimo somnotho simazonzwana kanjena. Okay. Someone said inkosi impela bayoze bethi shilo sengivuthiwe ofakazi ukuba ubapheka ngebhodo elincane umancintshana into ekanjalo ikazi. Okay, these are some of the comments. I'm not gonna go through that ngoba video sayindi. I'm just surprised, you guys, because I didn't know ukuthi mangabe ungomunye ofakazi baka Jehova uvumelekile ukwenza into eyiningi. Just imagine, you guys, ukuthi mangabe you are part of that uphuthelwa into eyiningi kanjani. So you can't celebrate your birthday, like, really? Angazi, you guys, your thoughts in the comment section isho uvo lwakho ke lapho because wow, mina I'm just surprised. That's why I chose to run with the story, you guys, when I saw istory sikabhuti uChada wangobese lapha nethi uyaqala ukuvota ngoba konke lokho bekuyinto ade engayenzi ke when he was still part of ofakazi baka J, like he writes. Okay, so angazi, your thoughts in the comment section. If you know that, please tell us. Ngempela uvumelekile ukwenza zonke lezi zinto when you go to that particular church. Like video, subscribe, share, and then we meet again on my next upload. Ngingaze ngisho kuningi zobosha.